Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a very quick video. I actually have an AliExpress haul that I will do tomorrow, but I finally finished up these packages of some of my different stuff that I've put together. I've only got 10 packages and I don't know that I'll do any more when these 10 sell out, because this has taken me hours and hours and hours to get together. So I'm going to show you what's in them. Like the card stocks will be different in each one, but everything is going to be the same amount. So let me just show you what is in each one. Let me open one of them here and just slide this out. Now I can put everything back in a minute. All right. So let's start back here at the back. You get a nice piece of, it's a lightweight chipboard, but it is a piece of chipboard, and I mainly put that in there to keep everything good in shipping. I also put one of these sheets of the waxed flowered paper, as well as a sheet of that craft colored parchment paper. And then you get one of each of those beautiful big double-sided invoices. So there's that. Let me put it back in the bag as I'm going through it with you guys so that they don't get messed up. I don't want anything to happen, because I'm telling y'all, when I say this has taken me hours, I'm not even exaggerating. That's why I'm like, I don't know that I'll do that again. Okay, so I'm dropping stuff. All right, I got it. The next thing that you will get will be two beautiful napkins. One is a longer one that's got butterflies. This one has got birds, and those are the same in all of them. This is what will be different in each package. You get the same amount of each one, but it will be different patterns and designs in each package. But I will go through and show you like a sample. So these are, let me see, these are the 6x8. There's some that are double-sided, some that are single-sided. And so they're just, it's just a variety of different 6x8 papers. Then I did put three, it's about 6x8, close to maybe 5.5x8 of some just cardstock. And then you get some, I got them upside down, some of the 6x6, some different ones. Some of these, again, are double-sided, some are single-sided. And so you get the same amount of each kind, and you know, each package is the same as far as that goes. And then I have like some 4x6, and again you get the same. Oh my goodness! And so these are the 4x6 pages, and some of them are cardstock, and some of them are more paper. But that's what you get. All right, let me put this back in there. And when I say this has taken me hours, guys, I am tired. I really don't know that I'll do this again. I think I bit off more than I could chew when I said that I would do this. But I told you guys that I would do it, so I wanted to at least get 10 of them done. All right, the next thing you will get will be one of those beautiful sulfuric paper envelopes. It's like a vellum, And then inside of each one of those, I tucked in 3 of these index card dividers. They're very thick, but I tucked in the first, second, and third one. And those are so fun to embellish and use as ephemera. So I wanted to make sure you had some of those. And we may do some projects with them. So when you get your package, you can keep that in mind. Okay, and then this package is just a package of some of my die cuts that I've done. And I don't want to take those folders. So you get 2 die cut folders. And then there's just like some tickets. These are like plain colors, so you can take and stamp on them. There's some tiny envelopes, and then these are like the coin envelopes. So you just get a variety of different die cuts to use. And I wanted to be able to put stuff in here that I felt like you could use in your journals. Like the different die cuts that I put in here are mostly on a plain cardstock, and that's because you can ink them up, you can stamp them. There's so much you can do, and I just wanted, not everybody has the ability to get the die cuts, so that's one reason why I've got that big old bag of die cuts, and it's huge. Okay, so there's that. Close that back up. Stick that down in there. All right. Then each one will get a thing of these stickers. They may be the different colors. There's white, there's purple, yellow, and then pink. But every pack has a pack of those stickers. And then I think almost all of them has this pack. I think there's one that has a different, not this particular pack. It'll be like the same type thing, but it's in the same series. But one of them has like a different one, but it's the same value. But each pack has that. Then in this little pack here, we have got some of these papers here, thought of the day, and the papers will be different, but it's the same amount. So like some of them are like the coffee dyed type papers. So you'll get 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. That's like a little postcard. And then put that back in there. Then each one also has, these are the postcards, and I got one out of each of my books. And so I think it's 3 of these in here. I can't get it out. So there's one out of the purple, the pink, and the red. And those are so much fun. I love those. I almost didn't put those in there, but that wouldn't have been right. I decided to share. All right, next up is some more papers. And these are different ones. So some of them look like postcards. Some of them are, like vintage script, postcard, script. Looks like a dictionary, a letter, dictionary. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pages like that. So I wanted to make sure that you got your money's worth, and I think I went way over, but it's okay, because I was trying to get them done. All right, so this package here has got 2 little these are paper, but they are like tags, and it's got a couple of little smaller sheets of different paper. And then this is a washi sticker. And there's that. All right. Next up, make sure I've got everything. I don't want to lose anything. All right. Next up is this package here. And so I put one of my seed envelopes in there. And then these are those little pages that I just got. And I put 2 of each. So there's those 2. The telegram. One that looks like ledger paper. The ones that look like an invoice. Another invoice. And then like a time card. And then I put 2 of those small envelopes in each one. There is one of these little craft envelopes. And then 2 of those little pockets that these pop out. And so there's that. These are just so much fun to play with and work with. And I didn't want to keep all of this goodness to myself. Well, I did, but that wouldn't have been right. All right. And then you will get a package of tickets. And you will have a variety of tickets in there, different colors, different sizes, styles. These are like a washi sticker, but you can tear them apart. They are perforated. So there is a package of those in each one.
I love my wife.
I love you, baby. That man's a mess. All right. So you get that. Then you will also get a variety of stamp stickers mostly. I think there are a few other. I'm not going to pull all these out. It's a whole bunch of them, guys. They're like, some of them are larger, some of them are smaller. It's just a whole bunch of like stamps and other stickers. Then I did do a package of charms. I think it's maybe 15 different charms in each one. I did make sure that each one had at least one of the keys in it. So you'll get that. Then you will get this little envelope here. And in the envelope, let's see if I can get it, you will get a variety of the little paper clips. So there's that. Yep, I've dropped one. Look at that. I gotta make sure I keep all of them together. So that's that. And then the last thing is a little package of the bulb clips. And I want to say it's 25 in there. I think there's 10 like of the colored and then 15 of the brass or bronze or whatever they are. So I have 10 of these packages available. I can't even imagine how much I have put in each one of these. I am going to sell them for $25 a piece. Shipping, I need to figure out shipping. I'm trying to think. I am sure, I think I can get the shipping probably around $7.95 or so. So I'm going to say $8 for shipping. And if it's more than that, I'll just deal with it. But I'm not going to put these in my Etsy right now. If you want one of these, message me, leave a comment. And you can pay by PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App. And I'm just going to, I'll keep a running tally on my YouTube or under here as to how many I have left. So right now there are 10. And so these are ready to ship. I may try to like move the stuff around when I ship them so it'll be more flat to try and make sure I can get them shipped for that $8 price range. Excuse me. But they are available starting now. Oh, let me get that back out and put that in my little thing there. They are available starting now. So make sure if you want one that you go ahead and comment and let me know, because like I said, I don't know that I am going to do any more of these because this was a lot. It was a whole lot. So just let me know. All right, guys. I hope to see you all tomorrow with my AliExpress haul. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.